Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to speak to the text code landing page. And I've created this guide to kind of give you an idea of what you need to gather and do before you can create this page. So there is a specific order that you kind of want to grab things. So the first thing is think about your audience. Who are you going to be sending this to, saying, hey lead, if you text this code that I've created to my smart number, what are you going to be sending to that contact? What are you going to be grabbing them their attention with, and what are you going to be sending them to follow through with what you're promising to provide to them? So what I did is I kind of thought about my area, and I know that locally here, there are a ton of people moving here to train horses. So there is a really big influx of equine activity happening. So I went to my website and I searched out all properties in Orange County that have stables for sale right now. And this was really easy to do. I just went into my site and just typed in the area of which I want to grab information. And then I popped in my keywords. So this could be really any keyword you want to grab from your MLS. In this case, it's just stable. And I clicked search. And then the system manifested the results for me. Now, because we're using this link, which is now this link up here in our browser, within a custom text code, we want to be really, really careful with how many characters we have when we're texting. So it's really important that we shorten this link up. So I went and used my Bitly Chrome extension here and did a quick shortener and copied the link. So now I can use this shortened link in my custom text code. So going back to the order of which I'm going to create things, I'm like, okay, I have my link created for my horse properties. And the cool thing about these links is whenever somebody receives it and clicks on it, it's always going to pull the most up-to-date information we can possibly pull from your MLS. So it's basically a live link. So I took the link and then I shortened it. Here's my Bitly link. And then this here is a link to the Chrome extension if you want to install it on your browser. And now we need to create our custom text code. So we need to enter our dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and open up K+. And I'm going to create a custom text code. So I'm going to go on this left-hand side of my dash, click lead gen, and then custom text codes. And again, when you create one of these, you're saying, hey lead, text this code to my SmartNer. I'm going to give you this information right now. So from here, I just need to click add new. And I know my custom code is stables. And I wrote out what I want to land as a message. So here is that list of properties with stables, and I have my little Bitly link, and then, hey, I'll check back with you soon. And then make sure you do follow up and check back soon, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my message. So now I have the code stables and my message in here, and I'm going to click submit. And if I scroll back down, I'll see that my stables code is set, and here is how it'll read. So now this is ready for me to deploy with a custom text code on Craigslist or when I'm out and about on print ads or what have you, and on this text lead landing page generator. So now I know that my custom text code is stables, I should say. And when I type into this and click outside of the box, it's going to land that word on this blue box between these two quotation marks. So it says nay now, but if I click outside, it's going to update to stables. Now I can go about choosing my background. So I went to one of the properties of which was for sale, and I grabbed the aerial image. And you can see up here in the browser, it has JPEG at the end. So this is a picture I could choose to include as that background. So I can right-click and copy this link to this photo, go over to background and click custom background. Or I could choose any of these static images that we provide, but this is a little more specialized because it's about a stable. When I click OK, that stable is going to end up in the background. Now from here, anywhere I see text, I can edit any of this information. So anywhere you see that information, you can go ahead and edit this. Now, if you want to get rid of the logo or a bullet, you double click. But keep in mind, once you double click to get rid of it, it's not coming back until you start over. So delete your logo, delete your bullets with discretion. Now, when you've completed putting your text code in and getting your background and tidying up the area here, maybe you don't even need a bullet at this point. You know, this could be, you know, Stables, Orange County for sale. So Stables for sale in Orange County. And then I can either get rid of that line or leave it, what have you. But this is a pretty short and sweet custom text code. I can click save. You know, I could click below and say, you know, for more information, text the code below. And then I can click save on the upper right. And the system is basically saying, hey, heads up, when you save this, you're not going to be able to edit it. So give it the once over, make sure it reads and looks how you want it, and then you click OK. And once you see this little green share button and this shorter URL appear in the browser, this is your complete link of which then you need to copy and paste out to your online sources. Or you can use this little share button and share directly into these social medias. Have a great day.